Using functions in PHP can save you a lot of time and effort. Instead of doing this long pen and paint code, you can use a function to add numbers and apply it all over your script or code. Let's do something else. Let's create a dice to roll. So sure, you can just create a random between 1 and 6. But what if you want to roll multiple dice at once? Let's create a function that will create an array of dice and display as many dice as you want in one function.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have to.
If you like my content, please subscribe or follow me for more videos like this.